Was a breaking north and south. Look around and see who's looking, figure that my breath is looking so. In the bathroom I go, and fixing his fro. It got me flipping, now everything's serene.
Brown bags, declare bags, and even the glass jars. I've been smoking with stars. In parties and bars, I done got actresses high. The greatest athletes fucked up. Took some niggas from DC to the spot. And they came and cracked the knot. And left the spot real hot. Check it out. I get up in the morning, take a pee, and light up that good tree. Old girl often asks me why I always get so high. Because to keep me in touch and keep my shit on the smash. And I ain't down with Rudy D no more, cause he done fucked up the hash.
You know what love is, it's a chat love shit. The masturbate, no need for that. Get down, rap, say word.
You don't know what this is? Alright, stay tuned. Get a little lesson in hip-hop.
Stand up, hold your own niggas, man. say what you mean, ladies. Real shit. Check it. Street religion's what I practice. Cuban links ain't my half backwards. Accelerate weight, living the fastest. Covered in graphics, my shirts look like art pieces. My life story's like a sharp thesis. My heart preaches what my mind knows. Sets up for emotion. Never see pyramids built without devotion. I see machines sucking glass like a Play-Doh. The money that we use in the strip clubs is Play-Doh. Friends become foes, foes become alliances. Gold bars with stashed inside appliances. Staying free, being a G. I'm like a scientist. Ready, green up on my face, that's where the iron is. Queens founded, international mountain. All the signs under my island, on my hobby. Design with superior strength and personality. This Queens niggas about to do it for the galaxy. The calculator's good, my scale is calibrated. I'm still a wolf, I got the working and I salivated. Roll a couple Rambos, then hop out Lambos. I ain't really about that, I'm good with my hand froze. Living low key, fuck doing OT. I'll be going OT till I'm a OG.
With the curler, severely hurt her, but the word I can nurture. Who won't first isn't hers in the house of worship. At the funeral, I heard it got turned up. Gangbangers from the Robin Turk shot the church up. Live by the gun, die by it. What good is science to a man if he can't apply it?
Yeah. Call me the black champion, guest down. Wanna test now, so let's grab the back and best. Bless them if we stressed out. Amazing blazing purple haze spaceships. Isotola Motorola's. Gun rollers, rollers or rollers or wet. Lens strollers, next rollers who rollers. Call up Commissionary Gordon. Son go on the board and that the Lord is back. Rolling with a sword again. Mixtape, masturbation, mate. Great plates, ice trays. Guns and bitches jumping out of white cakes. Right the birds, yellow fuck, old jump. Gang, kids, your life kill. Gang, recognize right wills. Gang, slight chills. Things stay the same game. Subliminary real smash grills, night chills. Regardless what more things won't be the same game. Get your life killed. Gang, recognize right wills. Gang, slight chills. Things stay the same.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sleepy, but I like it nice and easy. Ain't nothing baby still in my hand. I like to dig it, cause every time you dig it, I tend to work by all the ones that like to wig it. Get out my life, woman. You don't love me no more, no. I'm right in front of my footsteps, thinking of a plan, looking like Raggedy Ann or going hand, kicking a can, thinking of a book to pull some bacon, because I'm down and stinking, so's all my shoes winking, t-shirt is shrinking, soon I see some eyes in my eyes open wide, quick, who's that with the chick, Phil blast my sidekick, what's up, Mac, give the town a smack, then up, pulls a Cadillac, your baby will be back, come right on the side,
down the dark forest. They drove us down to the southern section of town where the crowds there be paying for protection. They want us to send up message to Jimmy the bartender, lend a friend of money next to ripping off the star fenders. So now we gotta get rid of them, but Jimmy's wife is with them and they don't want her involved. Hopped out the back seat, they gave me a revolver. Blast you, distract them, while I go whack them. Into the back, shot at the bar and then attack them. You're screaming for his life, reaching for his life. Shot him in the back of the head and tricked him with a knife.
She really dogged me around, had me ashamed to even raise my hand when I strolled around this town. One day I found myself, it appeared very plain to me that I shouldn't be afraid to look for love, 'cause love sure won't look for me, love. What's on the inside? What's on the outside? Can that thing man work out? So I guess I'll just have to try to understand. You can sit back and watch life go by. Stop love knocks you down, just stand the ground. And they doesn't need you even try. You got to pick up your heart, keep stepping.
I love you. You beautiful. The way you wear that, share that, had many ladies, but nothing can compare to that smile, that style, that tribesman, wow, that ring can have Big Daddy walking down the aisle proper. You a showstopper, girl a jaw dropper. I can see me leaving soon to bring it home to mama. What you're looking at is purebred stallion, I'm slinging it. You really care to know who's jaying it? Oh, how lucky are we? Catch you coming out the shower and I'm right there to wipe down your body. Spread that scented lotion all around your curves. Anything you want, all she deserves. Baby, calm your nerves, make this work. The only thing you fear in life is being hurt, but I'm here to protect you. Thought otherwise, I'm here to correct you. You can trust me.
You and I so fast, playing away
I got you back.
This is how we do it overtime. This is how Flip Script Radio does it overtime. Ain't no weak shit around here. Ain't no punk shit around here. Brick City, let's go, stand up.
week.
It's about to get ugly around here. It's about to get ugly around here. This overtime, we don't fuck around. Flip the script radio. Yo, it's hip hop's new crib. You know how we do.
94 to 95.
All the other stations. Man, listen.
Yeah, check it out now, run for your life. Or you wanna get your heat, whatever. We can die together. As long as I send your maggot ass to the essence. I don't give a fuck about my presence. I'm lost in the blocks of hate and can't wait for the next crab nigga to step and meet fate. I'm lethal when I see you, there is no sequel. 24/7 Mac 11 is my people. So why you wanna end your little life like this? Cause now you bump heads with kids that's lifeless. I live by the day only if I survive the last night. Damn right, I ain't trying to fight. We can settle this like some grown men on the concrete floor. My slugs will put a stop to your hardcore ways of action. I grab the gat then, ain't no turning back when I start blasting. Pick up the handle and insert the potion. Cock the shit back in a calm like motion. No signs of anger or fear, cause you the one in danger. Never share your plans with a stranger. Word is born, check it out on you, kid, now I got you. You got the heart to get busy without your crew. Let's get it on, nigga, do what we gotta do. You fucking me, I'm fucking right back at you. I put the drop on you, kid, now I got you. You got the heart to get busy without your crew.
Who rocking with us overtime? These are the gyms who get overtime. Yo, if you left early, you're missing out. Yo, we don't always do this on a Wednesday night. So for everybody that's here, yo, you got a treat right here. DJ C Reality going in, let's go.
In my turn again.
Pretty women from Canada to Mexico. They love to see them coming and I hate it when they have to go. A macho man before the macho ever came to town. The only problem was not enough for him to go around. You know he had more romances than LA's got stars. He had more romances than DJ boy's got copies of legend in his own mind, and God's a gift to women on a big God wasn't giving up a thing.
Should take it slow like way back in the day, yo. Way, yo. Everybody say ho, everybody say ho. Everybody say ho. And check it out now. Who is the cat eating out on the town? You make the whole dining room turn their head round, Mr. Nigga. Nigga, he got the speakers in the trunk with the bass on crunk. Who be riding up in the high-rise elevator? Other tenants who be praying he ain't the new labor, Mr. Nigga. Nigga, they try to play him like a chump, cause he got what they want. He under 30 years old, but already he's a pro. Designer trousers slung low, cause his pockets stay swole. Can afford to get up and be anywhere he goes. VIP at the club, backstage in the show. Competition is none. Number one 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 competition is none.
Niggas got me seeming about to flip my lip, fuck around and I'll proceed to blow your back out, kid. Not to say I'm on a violent tip, but my hand stays on my gun in case you saw some shit. Cause I've been rhyming since way back when, straight up and from the heart as I was always been. Now punk niggas wanna test me, for all that tickety tongue twisted shit don't impress me. It's just a phase and you know damn well that you'll fall off in a minute, cause that shit don't sell. Funny how you think you could surpass me, or outlast me with that bullshit style, you're falling fast, G. See, I suggest you go back where you came from. Come on, don't play, son.
You know, we can't hide from them.
You know, he got his potions.
Yeah, what you got on there?
What got what he got? What got what he got?
From 7 to 10 a.m. for the morning drive. And Element.
The stuffy hip hop nerd, and he's not the.
I didn't know. I slept on him, man.
I
Dude,
tell-
dude is-
Printing that exclusive, that crack music, shit that make niggas wild out and act stupid. Thinking I will ever bow out, well that's stupid. All I gotta do is shout out, my whole crew flip. Don't misconstrue or confuse shit. We still ducking, still drugging on some rugged, never smooth shit. Got that 9 on me, got 2 clips loaded, ready to explode it. Nigga, hold this.
Place with the wrong one. Boy, you in the wrong place with the
Woke up stony, still I need my lighter in the rollie. I'm thinking of the nonsense I often let control me. I look into the mirror and it's like I see the whole team trapped in the glass. So feel numb, how dead am I? Got pain inside, but I never cry. No, still blessed, so I question why. Is it still just me, myself, and I? I'm too lost all of the time. In my thoughts, I'm just trying to get by. I'm too lost all of the time. In my thoughts, I'm just trying to get by. I'm close to midnight, left the bros in the sight. Now I'm home and enclosed in my dome for the night. Like Rome, it's a fight, trying to hold life tight. As I hear another voice trying to shine life's light. Like,
listen, Bishop, I mean Markel, you better wisen up before you slip and you fail. You'll be another tale just with one to tell. Yeah, they wanting you to fail like you kick, flipped and fell. Look, you move well when you in position, but you don't want to let pressure change your decisions. You know your intentions, keep rolling, keep winning. Put your chips down, then you gotta keep spinning. Enjoy life's gambles. I know that niggas start to be a handful. You think that it'll all dismantle? I need the old days when you were the young vandal who didn't give a fuck if they didn't understand you.
I feel numb, how dead am I? Got pain inside, but I never cry, no.
Yeah. Yo, I'm live with it, quick with it, spit. Yo, I'm live with it, quick with it, spit. Yo, I'm live with it, quick with it, spit. Vintage, many years infinite skills forget. Yo, I'm live with it, quick with it, spit. Vintage, many years infinite skills forget. Yo, I'm live with it, quick with it, spit. Vintage, many years infinite skills create mimic. So it's been a minute. Yo, watching me hourglass, blast beat is on the camp, mashing across the app.
Spectacular vernacular, living heads from your amateurs. The blood and venom, my massive cardiovascular. Spectacular vernacular, living heads from your amateurs. The blood and venom, my massive cardiovascular. Spectacular vernacular, living heads from your scapula. So check your temperature, you entering Andromeda. Spitting but
Yeah. She like connect. Salvation when I'm paying what these rhymes from. You gotta see it more than once to get it or just die slow. I resurrect with the whole scene lacking. Originality, your mentality for the action. A fucking travesty of reality in this rapping. The lower you dumb it down, the higher be the reaction. So fuck it, I'ma carry the torch, keep it rocking. With production overseas, my people they keep it knocking. This that perfect sand off, we tailor fit in your coffin. And lay the oxen on, be legends, killing it proper.
Walking on the footbridge with reefer. All the bystanders saying he's good. Check my heater, revolver call it Rita. My Greek cool mind put olive on the Peter. No college, my knowledge that is Caesar. Set the senators die, who comment on the leader why? Tongue firing, had it one time,
spirit. Capture so much of their love undying. Animal, my pack come violent. Swim up on the shores, curled off the Plum Island rock. Looking like Swamp Thing. Packs of camels and I love how the Scotch things. Let me upgrade ya, now I'm a duct tape ya. Take you out the city while we going up safer. Play you all the music, ask you how the drugs taste. Make you learn the big songs and make you love nature. Yeah, Lee Van Cleef, the bad man. Pecan seats in the Jag fam. You like to ride out, speaking of lone hookers. In your Suzuki, eating your own boogers. Gross, gross. Shall we make a toast? Or shall we go for the bread and cut the baker's throat? I guess the chorus isn't fair. Make me 4 caskets, sawdust in his hair. Engineers get his quarter-inch repaired. I'll be in the lab whack like Jim Morrison was there. Cause I'm a young boy, Orbison, flooring the Chavert. Rock Stegosaurus, stomping out the tortoise and the hairpin. Losing my religion, they crucify the risen. Producers miserable and suicide in prison. Metronome, my bloody knuckles on the cinder block. Phonograph skipping, flipping the Linda Scott joint, but the gray stays present when the winter's not. This is that dope shit. Hold the
The bitch, the snitch, the rat, the snake. It never dawned on you she was after your cake. He was your man till he sold crack to the Jake. All my real niggas that was ever track of a late. The bitch, the snitch, the rat, the snake. It never dawned on you she was after your cake. He was your man till he sold crack to the Jake. All my real niggas that was ever track of a late. Now the bitch, she only deal with stars in the game. She good with gas and dudes, massage in the brain. She had you feeling like you was far from a lane. So you put the boat house plus the cars in the name. What a shame, you trapped in the land, did no hope come and visit you. She rather catch a 10 on your boat. When you was on the street, she loved you like a king. Wasn't really love, but was she just out for one thing? While you was doing time for the crime of selling crack, the backstabber was getting stabbed from the back. No remorse, now she up in court filing for divorce. She got everything, the house in Long Island to the Porsche. Now a snitch and a rat, both the same thing. Use you to save their own ass, it's the main thing. Watch what you say you do if you wanna remain king. More snitches than loyal niggas is what this game bring. That be the bitch, the snitch, the rat, the snake. It never dawned on you she was after your cake. He was your man till he sold crack to the Jake. All my real niggas that was ever track of a late. The bitch, the snitch, the rat, the snake. It never dawned on you she was after your cake. He was your man till he sold crack to the Jake. All my real niggas that was ever track of a late. The cat in your crew trying to pull daddy hard. Just might use you for a get out of jail free card. Can't even breathe hard, never trust them. It don't matter who, they ain't gotta be mad at you. When the squeeze is on, ain't no telling what a rat'll do. Cause as far as he concerned, it's you they want. And your name is collateral, a snitch and a rat. We'll both sell you out, but a snake is that nigga that won't bail you out. When you at your lowest point and you broke in the ditch. Can't find him cause you fucking on that boat with your bitch. Same nigga that was up in the air while you was up in the air. Flying out of town, he was fucking the air. Getting his dick sucked while he plucking the hair. And you can't do the thing cause you stuck in the square. That be the bitch, the snitch, the rat, the snake. And never dawned on you she was after your cake. He was your man till he sold crack to the Jake. For my real niggas that was ever track of a late.
He probably goes right to the precinct, quick from body blows. Hey, look this up, Horace. To all my niggas dodging drug charges, on forest gun artists get the pain, niggas get the faint. This ain't for the weak-hearted. Only alpha males without my skills, without your feels and restarted.
I'm just letting my rap off, hoping to let my man off. Fuck the law, drawing, I'm pulling, let's have a standoff. Fuck this. City's on fire. City's on fire. Fuck out of here, man. City's on. I swear I hear about a shooting every night. This young man losing his life. He's scared to fight it isn't right. Well, who the fuck am I to tell you that? Like I ain't done dirt in these streets. I've been through hell and back. I pedal crack and soul pounded that green. Won't coke and you can sniff all to amount to a green. Wasn't chasing my dream, put my passion to the way back. They say that I'm lost, it's not a lie when they say that. Please don't think I'm sleeping or nothing, cause I was afraid that rather have it than not need it. You know that saying from way back. I'm from the hood, that's the place where I feel safe at. Nowadays it's a lose, who's crazy to me, so I take back. Not where I want my brother to be, so I stay straight. I ain't gonna let him run up on me.
Tell somebody raise me with sense.
Yes.
I always love that joke.
Yeah, definitely. And he's Latino, by the way. You know that.
Latino?
Yes.
Following that, we got Lords of the Underground released their debut album, Here Come the Lords,
Oh, Brick
March
City.
1993.
Yes. Shouts to Do It All. That was a great time in hip hop.
It was.
That whole time.
This was one of those albums where my mom used to be like, turn it off, turn it down.
What, the Lords joint?
Yeah.
You know what's crazy, man? There's a lot of people that really, really despise Lords and Underground.
It's because they're from Newark. My
Well,
mom
it
was like, niggas from Newark are crazy.
Word?
That was it?
Even your mom did.
You think it was the sound?
I think it was, well, it was, don't forget you had the whole Lord Finesse thing too, Mr. Funky, calling it, they were kind of beefing a little bit, the Finesse made the joint, the MCs be fronting like they funky, but they can't fuck around. So it was always like that, Jersey, New York, Jersey's like the redheaded stepchild, right across the water, but we always got like the shitty end of the stick, you know what I'm saying?
No respect.
I don't know, I mean, obviously like they weren't like lyrical geniuses.
No, not at all.
But
the sound, I think it was more the sound than anything. It was like the anthem for that time.
The energy.
For me,
I love Psycho. Psycho was my joint.
Yeah, the one joint I think if it would define the whole '90s for me, that whole sound would be Soul Clap.
Oh yeah,
Showbiz and AG. When you hear that joint, there's no denying it.
But you know what though? There's a huge, and we talk about this all the time, but there's a huge difference between when people say '90s, like. Even though it's a really short window of time, like a 92 joint and like a 95, 96 joint, there's like a total disconnect there. Like you talk about like Stunts, Blunts, and Hip Hop and joints like Soul Clap and, Diamond D and all that type of shit. There's people that know like Big and Jay and
studio album, Heart to Earn,
Woo!
March
Clap it up for that.
1994.
Legendary.
Yes.
Drew done brought HR with him over here.
That's right.
Yeah, I don't understand it. This guy brought the corporate element. I don't understand what's going on.
Running a real business here.
Yeah, good luck with that.
And Baten, Slum Village, was born March 8, 1974. That's a clap.
Clap it up.
All right, clap it up. Brother being born.
All right, I'm gonna close this out with a classic film released on March 8th, 1991.
What do you got?
Can either of you guess? You were around at that time.
91.
You're like 40 years old.
In 91? There's a lot of shit that came out. It's hard to narrow down.
New Jack City.
Oh, New
You
Jack
know
City.
what that was actually earlier. I was thinking of King of New York, but that was in the 80s. Wasn't that late 80s?
No, King of New York was like a year before.
The year before that?
It was like 90.
Yeah, it was like 90.
I can watch that today. I think I mentioned that before.
What, King of New York?
You
or
can
New
watch
Jack
that today. It's just cheesy as hell.
New Jack City.
It didn't hold up well. No, King of New York.
King of New York. It's funny now because Christopher Walken just.
He's become such a parody of himself, like over the years. That trying to watch that seriously now, unlike other flicks that held up that are even better now or held up.
So that was a good weekend this week in hip hop.
Clap it up again, man. There was some good stuff in there.
You like to take his job or what?
Anybody could have his job.
All right, cool.
Listen.
All right, Teo, you're out. That's it. It's over.
Hey, Teo. They're probably jumping some old ladies out there in Florida. Shout out to Teo. He's doing his, I don't know, he's seeing the world with the biker gang. They're out there. He deserts us all the time. The show's not important to him.
Who's in the chat? So you got your specs.
Oh, Jesus. Well, you got the good list, though.
Let's see who you missed.
Well, let's see what he got. I see Kaheem is in the chat. Shouts to Kaheem. Definitely like the MCs in the chat. Kurz, the legendary Kurz, he's probably oiling down his mole. Ruben's in there. Ruben! What a queen! Shout out to Soul Taker 73, man. He's still in the house. Thanks for checking us out. Let me see, man. Let me go through this thing.
We got the sauce in
We got the sauce. I don't know.
AKA Hot Pocket.
You know who that is? That someone you know?
Shout out to G Money. Nah, I don't know that person.
Oh, word? You don't know the sauce?
Just keep reading.
You sound like you got a wicked crossover.
Shouts to the sauce. If you're digging the show, man, let us know what you think. Jen Traducing is in the chat. The lovely Jen Traducing. We love her, and one day we're gonna meet her. She's gonna make the trek to Jersey. She keeps saying that. I don't know.
You got Tears XL in there, right?
Tears XL.
Yeah.
Shouts to Tears XL. That's a new name I've never seen.
What is it?
Tears. Okay. Shouts to the Quarter Inch Kings, man, all the way from the I don't know, what would you call that? The northern side, the upper. He's Canadian. So.
Oh, he's Canadian.
Yeah. Night Poser. Night Boogie's in the chat. El Boogie de la Noche. All right, who else we got in here? Stoker, we all know Stoker's in
And
here.
Nicholas Ramsey.
Obsidian Obelisk.
Oh, that's a very. No one understands me, man. I'm different. I shop at Hot Topic and cut myself.
I'm a special snowflake.
And then my mother makes me grilled cheese.
Curtis Metcalf is in there.